For this video, we're going to be covering CFAM Worksheet 001 Worksheet Descriptions. We have all of the CFAM sheets with their numbers and title. There's a brief description here, and over here whether we have a video out on YouTube for that one. This is a little key here showing you. Kindle has numbered these sheets to kind of give you an idea of where they are. So the 100 range expenditure, 200 range is revenue. There's some that end up having more than one category when we come to here. So if you have a report that's expense and revenue, it'll show up for either, but this just allows you to narrow down to what you're looking for. See the brief description. If that's not enough, click out here to the video. As you get to the video, the only thing I wanted to point out here is if you'll go into this Arkansas Public School Resource Center YouTube page, you can see this full CFAM playlist if you want to jump from one to the other. That's all these links are taking you out to. Either way of getting there is fine, but just wanted a quick video to kind of explain these worksheet descriptions, what's out there, what these icons mean, and the goal is for us to have videos for all the sheets and any new ones that come out.